Now before we can start building our website, let's see how our website looks like first. Let's go to blog, visit site. Okay, it's the same thing how we saw in the beginning. Now we can modify some stuff. Now before we can do that, let's go to our settings and choose general settings. Now inside this, you can choose what will be your site title. So right now my site title is blog. So you can see here, it simply says blog. I can change this. I can change this to food blog. See, the name here changed too. Now the description of the site simply says just another WordPress site. I'm going to change that one too. I'm going to change this to for the love of food. Okay. Now below that we have an WordPress address. That is the URL of how you will be accessing your website. Now the site URL is also the same thing, but it is specifically defined for your home page. Now my recommendation is to don't change this, don't modify this. After that, you have administrator email address. In case if you want to change this to your email address, you can always change this. By default, membership is disabled, so I'm going to enable this. Now whenever the new user is registered, he's by default registered to the subscriber. For now, I'm going to let this to be as a subscriber. Below that, we have the site language, which has been set to English. I can choose a time zone. I'll set it to my time zone right now. Okay, I can choose the format of how the date looks. I can also change the time format how it looks. I'm going to change to this one. And then I can choose the first day of the week. And by default, it is set to Monday. So I'm going to save this one. Now I can get back to your site and click on refresh. Our changes have been applied.